Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on Bumble. You click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on for stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.